Hello everyone, today I want to explain you how to use easyrig properly with the camera. And also I want to explain what is the benefit of using easyrig. First, easyrig can control your frame properly. When the subject's movement, you can follow of the subject. Second, it's useful when you use with the heavy camera, something like that. It reduces the weight and make you comfortable with using with the camera. If you use handheld, it's gonna difficult to control the frame. Your frame gonna be, it's not stabilized, it drop. So when you use easyrig, it's not much smooth, but it's gonna be better than handheld. And also, easyrig is very important for the cinema industry nowadays. It's the kind of the technology, it's useful for the camera operator. And also when you shoot the concert, when you shoot the television station, and also you shoot the event, pre-wedding, cinema film, etc. is very useful for filming and for the camera operator. And now let's see together how to use easyrig and cameras. So now let's start with me how to use easyrig with the camera together.
C'est des arrêts d'urgence, ça coupe l'électricité.
Action.
Thank you for pay attention watching my video. It is very interesting subject to share all of you. If you have something to ask, you can comment on my video. And it is very benefit when you use easyrig and the camera, because nowadays technology is increased every day. easyrig for the camera operator, you can use it like control your frame, smoothly stabilize, follow the subject very easily. And also when you use with the heavy gear, something like that, it very better than handheld. Yes, if you have any question, comment on my video and subscribe and notification. And again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you can learn from this video as well. Thank you.